Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Note 50, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts application like this one right here. Next, we're gonna go into Fix and Manage, and then gonna select Manage SIM. This in turn will display all the contacts that are located on a SIM card. Now by default they should all be selected as long as none of those contacts already exist in the location where you're going to be importing the contacts to. For me, the device automatically tries to import them to the Google account, and on that Google account all these contacts actually already exist. So it does grey them out and deselects them. But if I were to change it to something like the device, you'll see that all of these contacts now become available for me to import them. I can also deselect some that I don't want, and from there I can select import. This will show me how many contacts have been imported. And if I go back to contacts, depending on where I chose to import those contacts to, I might need to select a different display location. By default right now it's showing me contacts from my Google account, which you can see right here with the H. So you can click on that icon and select to display, for instance, contacts from the device, which is where I imported my contacts to. Or also I can display them straight up from the SIM card. Now the reason you might want to import your contacts to your device instead of keeping them on a SIM card is because if you try to edit any of those numbers right here, you will see that the only options available to us in here are the name of the contact and the number, and that's it. But if we go back to device or the Google account options, and again I'm going to select number, edit it, you can now see I can add things like contact, photo, first, last name, company name, number 1, number 2 for mobile, email information, significant dates, and birthday and stuff like that. So it gives me much more options for the contact, just adds way more data to it, and makes it also cooperate with other applications like calendars and other stuff. So as an example, if you add birthday into here, they will show up in your calendar application. Now I believe this would also apply primarily for the Google accounts, but haven't tested it out yet. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.